Hello my dear gorgeous friend on the internet. Here we are going to learn about how to use React CDN. CDN stands for Connected Document Network. We are not going to install React app by using npm create React app. Here we are going to use CDN. We are going to make simple tab. When you click on tab on, you can see the image is changed and title also changed to image title 1, tab 2 image title 2, tab 3 image is also changed. For prototyping any simple project you can use CDN, but you should never use for the real-time large app. You can use create React app to install a React app. Okay, go to Google and search for ReactJS. From the very first link you can get from reactjs.org. When you click on that, and you need to click on this docs. Now you are on the getting started page. From here you can see CDN link. You should copy CDN link. This is for production version and this is for development version. Open your Visual Studio Code. From here click on file, add folder to Nick workspace and desktop. Here I am going to create a new folder, that is React CDN or React tab, and that's perfect. Add that folder, and in here I am going to create a file index.html. You can say why this HTML is here, because we are going to write all of the React code inside HTML. For that we are going to need a JavaScript compiler, that is Babel. We will use it for compiling our ReactJS code so browser can understand our ReactJS code. From here just write React tab. Here I am going to link our CSS style.css, link tab style css. Okay, here I have created a blog post for you. From here you can copy and paste the CSS code. Link will be in the description of this video. Okay, copy and paste it here because we don't want to learn CSS in here. You can find my other videos to learn CSS. Okay, now in ReactJS website, from the docs you can click on this CDN link. We are going to use the CDN for development. We are not going to use it for production, so just copy this two line and paste it below here. Okay, we need one more thing, that is Babel JS script. Okay, click on this setup. In the browser we are going to use for prototypes, so just copy this line, this CDN for Babel. Okay, paste it above here, and we also need a script tag with text type of Babel. Okay, just copy this line and paste it below here in the body. Okay, here above the script we need a element. To render all of our React code. So at first we are going to create a class with the name of app. Extends, we need to extend React component and this is a class. At the very bottom we need to render this component, so just write React DOM dot render. This is the function from where we are going to render all of our React code inside this app. Okay, let's see how to do that. At first, our name of our component, that is app, you can see the name, and comma, from where we are going to use this app component. So document dot get element by id, and id is this app. This should be a id, not a class. Okay, and I made a mistake here. I made a mistake in here. This should be at the end. Now because this is a class based component, we need to render it. So for that we need to use a function. This is render, and we need to return our XML code, JSX code. Here we can write our JSX code. Hello JSX. Save it. Let's see on the browser. So you can see in the console there is nothing error here. Okay, that means we are on the right track. Instead of div, we are going to use react fragment. React dot fragment. What is the specialty of react fragment? We can write all of the element here, but react fragment will not count as element. Okay, that means this will not add extra padding or margin or anything inside a element. Here I will add a div with the class name of con. Inside this con will have nav. Inside this nav will have ul li. Inside this li will have a. Press tab. You can see it's look perfect. One more thing, because this is React, this would be class name, not only the class. Copy and paste it below here. Copy this and paste it below two more time. This should be nav. Below this nav will have tab element. In tab element will have tab on element. El stand for element, and inside tab on element will have two part. First is image and second one is image title and description. So just write img image con mean image container plus image docs. Don't forget about this dot, it will add class name. Okay, press tab. All of them is adding as class because we haven't set it JSX file. This is our index.html file, that is why it is adding the class. Okay, here inside image con, let's add the image tab. The source will be, this should be a closing tag, otherwise it will give an error because this JSX code. So px here photos, from here we are going to copy images. This is a great website, pxhere.com. From here you can get high quality image for free. Just copy image address and paste it here inside this source. Okay, save it, and inside image docs let's add title and description. H2 tab image on title, and inside p lorem on 5 and press tab. It will add 15 odd. Now you can see this is basic styling for our tab. This is image on title, and it's working perfectly. Let's see the class name is correct or not. This should be tab element. Save it once again, reload the page. Perfect, now it's looking great. Tab 1, tab 2 and tab 3. Tab 3. We'll set our background color by using state. So just write state is equal, this is a object bg, and state will be green. And in here by inline styling we are going to change the background color. So just write style is equal double curly braces background color is this dot state dot bg. Save it and reload the page once again. It's looking perfect. Now you can see perfectly. Now the very next thing we are going to do is we are going to set some more state for our website. Okay, so let's do that. Image props, and inside that we are going to set our image source, title and description as well. Image source will be, let's copy the source from our previous image, copy it and paste it here. And don't forget about the double quotation mark and comma below that. Image title, the title of our image will be image 1 and comma image para, that means paragraph. We are going to write some description in here. For now I'm just going to give $M20. Okay, let's copy this from bottom here and paste it there. And this is changeable by using a function. We are going to change all of them. When you click on the different tab we can update our state. Okay, for that let's create a function tab element. This is the function from where we are going to update our state, or we are going to create a new. Okay, we don't need to give the function because we are inside the class. Now here to change our state there is a function this dot set state. From here we can change our image state. Okay, just copy like this, shift alt F for reformatting your code, and in here we are not going to pass this string. Okay, we are going to pass some parameter image source comma. Okay, let's make it underscore source, so we don't need to give it twice. That means image source we don't need to give this 2 times, we can give it only once. That will do the same thing. Okay, delete this and copy and paste it here. Also we don't need this description, we'll use the description dynamically from the tab. Now we are going to use this function inside our li element. In here inside li just give one click. If user click once it will call a function, callback function, and by callback function it will call our user element. tab element. Okay, this dot tab element. In here we're going to pass the parameter. The first parameter will be this one. This is the image source. The second parameter will be image title. Image one, this is the title of our first image. And the third parameter will be the description of our image. Just copy the description from here and paste it there. We are just going to copy the first one and paste it below here. We just need to change the image source, title and description. Here in the place of static URL, we are going to paste the URL dynamically from our state. So just write this dot state dot image props dot image source. Copy this and paste it here in the place of image one title. We want it dynamically. Image title, and also paste it below on in the description. Although all of the image description is same in our case, but you can change it. Here I made a mistake because we are using this .state. We should not use this callback arrow function. Okay, let's change the function name according to our source code. So Control D, it will select all the tab element and tab element set, that was the name in our source code, and in here in the place of image prop it will be tab props. Here I made a spelling mistake, as I always do. One more thing, make sure in the all a tag you have given a hash inside your href attribute, so it won't go anywhere else. Okay, that means we'll stay in the same page, but we'll change our tab. Let's see, it's working perfectly. Now you can see image 2. This title is also changing. Description remains same for the all image because we have given the same description. Okay, if you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe. That's all for this tutorial. Thank you.